Hello, everyone. Today, let's take a closer look at the website of Priority Software, a company that has been providing cloud-based business management solutions since 1981. Priority Software offers a range of products, including ERP systems, retail management solutions, hospitality management, and school management systems. Their ERP platform comes in two main plans: commercial and manufacturing. The commercial plan includes financials, CRM, sales, purchasing, and inventory control. The manufacturing plan adds features like manufacturing, MRP, production control, engineering, and fixed assets management. Pricing for these plans is not listed on the website. Interested parties are encouraged to contact the sales department for a quote. Priority Software serves clients in over 40 countries with more than 100 partners and over 10,000 customers. The company provides solutions for various industries, including agriculture, construction, electronics, financial services, healthcare, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, professional services, retail, software and technology, and wholesale and distribution. For retail businesses, Priority offers a management system that includes mobile POS, inventory management, analytical reports, and customer loyalty programs. In the hospitality sector, Priority provides solutions for hotel management, reservations, CRM, and POS systems. For educational institutions, they offer a school management system to assist with pedagogical administration. Priority Software was recognized as a leading ERP solution provider in the 2025 Tech Insight Report. The company also offers various add-ons to their products, including project management, customer service, delivery planning, and quality management. For more information and product demonstrations, you can contact their sales department through the form on their website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like to stay updated with our latest reviews. See you next time.